Hi, today I want to talk to you about one of the disadvantages of having a small dryer like the one I have, which is these. And we have not had our dryer that long. You can see there's already a hole through the filter. That's from all this stuff sticking to it, and you have to try to pick it off, and it just sticks like crazy. You can see this other side. Now, how I took care of this problem is, well, I made my own filter. This is nothing more than cheap air conditioning filter that comes in the big square type thing. And you can see there's stuff in there. And this is so much easier to clean. It does let air through. It catches all kinds of stuff. So basically I just remade my filter using that. And this is the cut down air conditioning filter. I did just take it out of the dryer because I dried some clothes. And unlike this, that gets crudded up real easily, this has hardly anything in it. You can see. And the reason you use these filters is because if you're using it in the house, it keeps the lint from going through and blowing out your dryer vent. This is doing the same thing. But it seems like with this, it's catching more lint here, which is easier to clean. So if you have one of the dryers like I have, then, you know, if your filter's messing up, yes, you can always buy these filters. They're not exactly cheap. I think it's like you can get 4 of them for like $10 or something like that. But if they're only lasting a month, you know, that's kind of expensive if you think about it. And this stuff isn't exactly super cheap either. The cheapest one I found today, which was this. Let me get this pulled up here. I should have done this before I started this video. I went to Walmart and they have this right here. I apologize for the camera. My Walmart has this exact same thing, this 24 inches by 15 by 0.25 for 50 cents for that. Now, any type of cut down filter can be used for this to help keep the lint from going through. But think about that, 50 cents. So if you have a small dryer like mine, and this filter is tearing up, and like I said, that's just trying to clean the filter so I can use the dryer, and it just has a big hole in it here. So I had some of this left over from when I purchased it for our air conditioner. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna throw this in here. How I cut this down, it's not perfect. I do stick it on the outside here, not on the inside. If you cut it smaller, it could probably fit on the inside, but I like to have it big like this. I just took this, laid over the filter like that, and then cut around the outside with a pair of scissors, and then cut out my center hole. And that was it. I mean, that's making a filter for this is really easy. It can be pretty cheap. I mean, this was, I believe, a bigger bag. This is 24 by 15. And this one is 24 by 15. So 50 cents at my local Walmart right now. Alright, that's it. I just want to talk to you about one of the bad things that has to do with the dryer. I mean, this thing just ripped way too easy. So instead of buying a bunch of these, I'll just buy a bunch of this. Alright, that's it. Everyone have a good day. Bye.